wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best hunting knife sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, a 9-piece set that should satisfy the needs of hunters and fishermen alike. The Elk Ridge cutlery contains stainless steel blades that won't wear down after extended use out in the elements. It includes a well-organized storage case too. They come with easy-to-grip rubber handles, and the set includes sharp shears. However, the blades bend too easily. At number 9, designed for comfort and dexterity, the handles for the blades within the High Desert Butcher are built to accommodate the grooves of your fingers. It's a simple functional kit that will suffice for the occasional big game hunter. It includes a large cleaver, and the butcher's knife is 8 inches long, but these blades dull rather quickly. Coming in at number 8 on our list. When you're going to be skinning your kill out in the field, you want to make sure your blades are razor sharp. You'd be in luck with the Mossy Oak 2-piece, a basic set that contains a fixed gut hook and a sturdy 10-inch drop point blade. It comes with a bonus sheath and stylish camouflage handles. However, it's not very easy to resharpen the blade. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hunting knife sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, consisting of a saw blade, a dagger-style knife, and a gut hook, the Elk Ridge ER252 provides you with enough equipment to handle a big buck with ease. The blades cut smoothly and they retain their edge well once they're sharpened. It features corrosion-resistant plastic handles and a carrying pouch, but the bone saw is somewhat fragile. Moving up our list to number 6. The Elk Ridge blades contain 2 compact knives that are easy to slide into the nylon dual carrying sheath that comes with the set. The gut hook blade measures in at just under 4 inches long and includes a finger hole for enhanced control. They sport eye-catching green handles, and the straight knife is equipped with a lanyard hole. However, the handles are too small for big hands. Halfway up our list at number 5. In addition to the standard tools, the Outdoor Edge Wild Pack also features a 2.5-inch caping knife you can use to remove the facial hide of an animal intact for use on a trophy display later on. This is a nice value for an 8-piece set. It contains a rib cage spreader, and the blades sharpen very quickly. The orange handles are highly visible. At number 4, depending on the type of animal and level of precision you require, you can choose from one of 3 skinning knives included in the Red Deer Field Kit. The rubber handles on the blades offer a dependable grip, and the sharpener is super easy to use. The set includes a folding gambrel and a shore with sharp, jagged teeth. It even comes with latex gloves. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Thanks to multiple knives and a lengthy wood and bone saw, there are few hunting situations you won't be able to handle with the Outdoor Edge Butcher Lite. It contains game cleaning gloves for those who don't want to get their hands too dirty. It includes handy snap-in knife scabbards, a limited lifetime warranty, and a fillet knife for fish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hunting knife sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the 3 tools within the Buck Knives packlite, a skinning blade, a caping blade, and a compact gut hook ring, are all constructed in a lightweight minimalist fashion that makes them as attractive and practical as they are easy to use. These are made in the United States and come with a sheath with removable liners and an adjustable belt pack. And taking the top spot on our list, with a long butcher knife and a handy carving fork, the Outdoor Edge Game Processor is still extremely useful once you've moved from field dressing to food preparation. The set contains gloves and a hard case for reliable portability. You get a total of 12 tools with blades that are simple to clean and a cutting board. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hunting knife sets, or simply click beneath this video.